Hello, hello, hello. This is Dentist Fortune. Please stay to the end. This is a very, very important topic. So please stay to the end. So today we're going to talk about AI app and feedback. So what is the challenge? About 2 billion people with permanent teeth have got to decay worldwide. This is according to the World Health Organization. So what are the project goals to understand AI app and the feedback and how to practice prevention? So what is the why? The why is that you go to work and a lot of kids are being put to sleep. So I want you to take a picture and then upload it. So the tips are brush your teeth, dry it with a gauze or tissue, and then use a bright light or ring light to take a picture with a macro lens of the chewing surfaces and then crop the picture so that only the teeth are showing and then upload it. This is very, very important. And email it to the AI agent for a personalized dental report. And you can upload to the app as well and then send the feedback to the form that is there. And I look forward to your comments. It's very, very important that I look forward to your comments and send the feedback to the form as you can see, and it's very, very important that I get a feedback on your experiences. I'm going to share with you some tips. Brush twice a day, spit after. If you're a nursing mother, take the breast out of your baby's mouth after they fall asleep to prevent nursing caries. You can download the food scanner app. I really look forward to hearing from you because I really need you to give me a feedback about your experience using the app and how best we can improve. What went well, what didn't go well, and how best we can improve. Disclaimer as always, this video is for educational purposes. It's very important to seek dental professional assistance because this is virtual and this channel is for general informational purposes. We emphasize that prevention is better than cure. Any information should not be considered as diagnosis. Conclusion, share the knowledge and subscribe. And thank you very much for staying to the end. So the call to action is just to upload to the app link for a private personalized report. And please comment in the conclusion is early detection and social prescribing is sustainable oral health. This does not replace the dentist. It's to empower you and motivate you. This is DIY. Power is in your hands. Your mouth is very important. Thank you for staying to the end. Thank you.